Hi, I'm Gray with Baratza. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up your brand new Forté AP, an all-purpose grinder that excels at delivering syrupy espresso shots. The Forté AP is equipped with a built-in scale and timer, 54mm ceramic flat burrs, and 260 grind settings with the precision micro adjustment. It also holds your portafilter for you. Pop the lid, lay the box on its side, and slide out the inner box. Lift the lid off of that, and you will see two boxes that hold the main grinder and all of the accessories. First up, the quick start guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your quick start guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder you are unboxing, and we'll cover all the important bits together. Remove the Forté from the box and the protective bag. The Forté AP will have the portafilter holder already installed. Inside the accessories box, you'll find the shutoff hopper, the grounds bin, the calibration tool for recalibrating the burrs, and the burr removal tool. Before using, give the hopper, lid, and grounds bin a hand wash with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before first use. Now let's get it set up. To install the hopper, position the shutoff knob towards the back of the grinder as we have here. Press into place and rotate clockwise until it stops. When you want beans to flow into the grinder, make sure this shutoff knob is in the open position. If you want to remove it for cleaning without grinding through all your coffee, just flip it to closed. For grinding larger batches and for using the scale, place the grounds bin on the black scale platform. Make sure that the bin is not touching any other part of the grinder, otherwise the scale may be inaccurate. If you are grinding for espresso, use the portafilter holder. Note that the scale cannot be used with the portafilter holder. If your portafilter is not fitting snugly, loosen the screws on the back, readjust, and tighten in place. Now let's talk grind settings. There are two grind adjustments here, the macro adjustment on the right and the micro adjustment on the left. Both of these adjustments work together to get you the perfect coffee. The fine end of the grind range is at the top and the coarse end is at the bottom. Let's start with both levers in the middle. We recommend setting the macro adjustment first. This runs from 1 to 10. 1 is around the size for espresso, and 10 is in the neighborhood of cold brew. This lever makes significant changes to the grind size when moved. The micro adjustment, which goes from A to Z, is for fine-tuning your grind once you are close to the perfect grind size with the macro adjustment. It makes very small changes to the grind size with each click. You can find the suggested grind range for each of these brew methods, important safety information, and more in the Quick Start Guide. Now plug the grinder in. Now let's talk grinding modes. The Forté AP can grind by weight, by time, or continuously until you press stop. Press the scale icon. There are 3 preset weights saved to buttons 1, 2, and 3. Make your selection and press the start-stop icon to grind. If these presets don't work for you, change the weight with the up and down buttons. You can grind straight from there, or save to a preset by pressing and holding the one you want to overwrite. You may need to zero out the scale if the display is showing error code 1 before grinding, so press the scale icon to do that. If you would rather grind with the timer, or if you are using the portafilter holder, press the clock icon. There are 3 presets here as well that you can customize in the same way as you would for weight. To grind continuously, press the manual M button. Now when you press start, it will grind until you press stop. Now let's make some espresso. I've weighed out 18 grams and set the grinder to 2K. Now I'll pour in the beans and hit the manual button, then the start button. That way we can see approximately how long it takes, so we can later set the timer and grind with a full hopper. You will need to set the timer a couple seconds shorter, as it will grind faster with a full hopper. Tamp, and brew. Note that even though we are using setting 2K with this grinder, this coffee, and this espresso machine, it can be quite different for you depending on your setup. If your shot comes out way faster than ours, you need to go finer to a smaller number. If the shot is much slower or not dripping at all, you need to go coarser to a larger number. All right, let's give it a taste. It's got a lot of roasted nuts, like hazelnuts, super chocolatey, tasty. At Baratza, we're not just about grinders, We're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips.